Hello, Creswell Library teens. It's Lindsay, your favorite youth librarian. In the last video, I showed you how to create an account on the Story Graph and import your Goodreads data. For those of you just joining, the Story Graph is a free tool that helps you track your reading and choose your next book based on your mood and your favorite topic and themes. You can also have online reading journals, join clubs, challenges, and more. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set your reading preferences, and then we will use the search tools to find a book to read. If you are just creating your account, this will be blank. If you are editing them to try something new, click Edit Your Answers. I've cleared them out so we can walk through this together. The only thing required for you to do is fill out your favorite genres, and you can pick up to 5 at a time. You can start typing, or you can scroll down the list. Let's pick dystopian, graphic novel, fantasy, mystery, and of course, young adult. While you don't have to answer the rest of these questions, the more you fill out, the more accurate your recommendations will be. With that being said, let's tell the Story Graph what kind of books you want to read. They've given us some examples here. Why don't we copy a few and add our own? Let's say you want to read LGBTQ plus authors, diverse characters, comfy setting, hopeful ending, friends to lovers trope, and high fantasy. If you're having trouble with this section or any other section, think about books, movies, and TV shows you've loved in the past, and think about what you're currently looking for and identify tropes and themes you enjoy. In this next section, it's asking what of these characteristics do you appreciate the most in a book? Like the other options, this of course is up to personal preference. Let's pick plot twists and lovable characters. For this next section, pick genres you are not interested in reading. You can pick 1, 2, or as many as you want. Which of these next things are going to make you want to quit reading your book? Let's pick predictable plot, graphic sex, since you will be probably reading YA books, and confusing, ambiguous ending. This last section is all about vibe. What kind of books are you usually not in the mood for? Maybe you usually find yourself not enjoying books that are inspiring and tense. Now, you can save or update your answers, but of course, you can go back and change this at any time. Now, we are going to look at the Story Graph's unique search tools. On the main page of the Story Graph, there are recommendations based on your reading preferences that you just updated, as well as your to-read pile. You can search both of these, do a general search here up at the top, or look at what's popular using their unique search tools. Let's explore what's currently popular. To start searching, click on Filter All Books. This probably looks familiar. Let's select 2 moods that we're interested in. Let's pick adventurous and mysterious. And since we want something with both of those moods, click all of the selected moods. We can leave anything blank that we want to, so let's skip the paste for now and click fiction. For genres, let's include young adult and fantasy. And since we're in the mood for both of these, click include all. We're in the mood for a longer title, so we can choose 300 to 499 pages, as well as 500 plus. We're not too picky about the publication year, but maybe we are wanting something not in our to read pile. Now let's click filter and see what we got. Ooh, we got some really cool titles here. From here, you can look at the genres in green and the moods in pink. If you see an author or a book you no longer want to see, click on the X. But if you see a book that you've been wanting to read, click to read, and it will be added to your to read pile. There is a lot more that you can do in the story graph. So feel free to check out the other videos in the series, explore on your own, or come talk to me in person if you have any questions. See you around.